what your choices have been and what karmic timelines and contracts you have journeyed. The light is calling for the reunification of all aspects of life in this realm now. It is calling for the cleansing of all polarities. It is calling for the rising of all sacred heart centers now. All are being summoned home to the greater light now.
We are the ones that we've been waiting for. We are the gifts we wish to see. We are the joy, peace, love, and kindness. For a new earth lives in you and me. Let's sing the music that's in our hearts. Let's join our hands in a brand new day. Let's be the light we have inside us, for living our gifts will lead the way. We're all the same, yet uniquely different. We're all bright rays of the same sun. Everyone shares a common story, for in our hearts we're truly one. Now is the time to come together, living the change we wish to see. For we're all dreaming a new earth vision of shining our bliss and harmony. We are the ones that we've been waiting for. We are the gifts we wish to see. We are the joy, peace, love, and kindness for a new